I've been using the Laura Geller brush. This is the angled kabuki retractable. Sweet as that. And I've been using it, obviously, with the best of the best palette. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? This is a 62-year-old face, which is what this is made for. So, we are not wrinkle-free, but it says no settling in the creases. A little bit of I should change brushes, I know, but still perfect. And when you're on vacation, who wants to take more than one brush? Little highlight. There you go.